Let's look at some adult education best practices. As there are a variety of ways you can show that you respect your learners or participants. It involves setting up a collaborative learning space, including evaluating the education together. Learners must be able to apply their knowledge, and adult education should be interactive and interesting. Aspects to prepare and consider include the learning environment, materials and equipment, learning content, techniques that you will use, and the educational time frame that you will have available. Environment includes considering accessibility, comfort, lighting, room arrangement, and refreshments. Materials and equipment planning include ensuring that you have the resources such as flip charts, whiteboard, the computer and projector working, Wi-Fi access, handouts, and visual aids, to name a few. The learning content must be applicable and relevant to your participants. The content should build on what they already know, and participants should be able to apply their knowledge soon after the educational session. There should be a takeaway resource that can be referred to or referenced after the education has taken place. The educator should know their participants and be aware of their learning goals. Consider the possibility of a diverse amount of learning needs, ensuring that the educational content is accessible to everyone. Are you providing education to the community, other professionals, or employees? This will all affect the approach you choose. Everyone has different learning styles to consider when developing your educational content and techniques. The approach to providing the education can include group discussions, role-playing, working in pairs, using sticky notes or writing down discussion ideas on flip charts, having handouts and visual aids, using case studies, are just some of the options that can be included. It's important to not just use a lecture-style educational approach. In addition, consider the time frame you have available. Are you being realistic with the content you want to cover? How will you evaluate that your learning goals have been met? Ensure the learning environment is safe for everyone. No questions are wrong. And finally, make sure that your participants' goals have been accomplished at the end of the educational session, and check-ins throughout the education. This is interactive, and remember, a key to adult education is respecting the participants or learners.
Created using Powtoon.